To make great coffee with your Tramontina coffee plunger, you need the best coffee, freshly ground. The grains need to be medium ground. If the coffee is ground too fine, it will clog the plunger mesh. A tip: before preparing your coffee, it's recommended to pour boiling water into the glass beaker to keep it warm longer. Add coffee to the plunger. For a regular coffee, according to ABIC, you need 10 grams of coffee for each 100 milliliters of water. This coffee plunger has a 950 milliliter capacity. Pour hot water into the plunger with the coffee. Ensure care is taken when pouring the water into the plunger, as fresh coffee will produce lots of foam. If you're brewing a full plunger, fill with water to 3 centimeters from the edge of the glass beaker. Using a spoon, stir the coffee for 2 minutes. This process provides for maximum extraction of the coffee. After 2 minutes, insert the coffee plunger filter. Lower the lid. Then push the filter about 2 centimeters under the surface of the liquid. Wait 30 seconds, and then plunge all the way with slow, steady pressure. It's ready. Serve your coffee immediately.